It's day 44, we're still in lockdown, and a very good morning to you all. It's very fresh this morning, it's really nice. Sun's coming up already, and I'm on my short walk to get the camera. I've just entered the woodland, and the camera is coming up right now. There it is. That's where I put it last night. I just had a bit of a glance down. I can see the bait. It's not a good start. I was working off the assumption last night that the vixen is staying close to the den and the dog is going out hunting. I'm on its usual route in an area where we've caught the fox on camera before. It stayed to my hair. But no, it doesn't seem to have ventured this far. So let's go into the field and see if we can pick up any scent. See if there's any evidence that they have been out. Just had a wander around the fields, and I did pick up a couple of scent marks actually. But that's in the far field. So there was no fox footage to report of last night. I did pick up some scent in the field, so it looks like they stayed reasonably close to home last night. So yeah, sorry about that, nothing to report. So what exactly is this mystery prototype that I've been keeping under wraps? Well, if you haven't guessed already, I've been building my own little night vision camera. I don't think the military are going to be knocking on my door to claim the rights for it, but it actually works quite well. It works really well in low light conditions, which I'll give you a demo of shortly, and it also works in pitch black, albeit at close range, but yeah, it does the trick. So it's about 9:30 in the evening. I'm inside the woodland, and this is the view I've got using the camera on my phone, which is the camera I always use. And if we flick to night vision, you can see the difference. You can pick out all the trees. It's a little bit brighter over there. So that's what I'm classing as low light. It's not quite dark yet, although it's quite dark inside the woodland. If you see through the trees, you can see into the field there, where it's still dusk. So I'm out in the field now, and again you can see the difference. It's really good in low light. There's the moon there. And this low light setting, I've not even switched on the infrared light yet. This is just the camera itself. It's so easy to convert. Right, okay, I'm in the same bit of woodland now. It's now dark. I'm using the infrared. You can see what a difference that makes. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Night vision. So if you'd like to learn how I built this camera, then I'll put a little video at the end of this one, a little link that you can watch. It's only about a short 10-minute video, and it just takes you through how I built it. It takes less than 20 minutes. So yeah, watch that and maybe give it a go yourself. So there you go, that's today's video complete, all with the night vision camera reveal. I hope you enjoyed that little bit, and if you haven't watched the video yet, then that'll be coming up shortly, so you can watch that. So if you did enjoy that, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button up here or the one down below, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next one. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.